Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to go over monetization. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video because I got some tricks and tips for you guys to definitely help you guys reach that monetization threshold. Being that you probably are a small channel, it's taking a while, but I got some things for you guys, so stick around to the end of the video. So here we have it. For most YouTubers, they really don't understand that when you get monetized on YouTube, it's very important for you to, look into what they offer you, the things that, YouTube is giving you for you in order for you to generate revenue, and I wanted to bring you guys to mine to actually show you guys exactly where I'm at with it and what I'm doing with it. Be sure to turn on post notification. Be sure to like this video. It helps this video goes out. And you guys are helping me pretty much continue doing this and showing you guys exactly what I do in order to grow my YouTube channel. So as you guys can see right here, you got the overview, and this is something that's very important for the simple fact is that it earns the ads. This is where you're getting the majority of your money from, point blank, straight to it. This is where you're getting most of the money from. And, your short feed ads, you get money from this, but it's not as equivalent to watch page ads compared to the short feed ads. It's just, there's a difference as far as the payout and everything and the ads that are placed on the short feeds ad. But either way it goes, you can earn money from both of them. And the membership of it is the membership side of it is very important for the simple fact is that you actually can build a fan base on YouTube that will, pay you, such as, shirts, merch, those type of things, and just being able to take your fans from, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and bring them over to your YouTube channel. That's definitely a great thing to have. And once you start, building that fan base, you got your supers, which is those who, engage with your show support through, constantly just being there for you, and then you got your shopping, which you can also share products on there too. So with that being said, you also can do the giving a fundraiser if you guys want to get into that. Let's just scroll down. I'm not going to click on see your earnings just for the simple fact is, you guys, this is my YouTube channel and I don't want to show you guys that, but it's all good. I love you guys. Yeah. So with that being said, let's go over to AdSense, right? So AdSense is something that's very important for the simple fact is you need to set it up. Once you're able to get monetized, you should be able to set it up before. But if not, make sure that you set it up. I believe that you have to set it up once you are monetized on YouTube. Let's click on watch page ads. Okay, let's look at analytics. I believe it's probably going to take me to my YouTube thing. Yeah, so it took me to my revenue. So as of right now, I made $18.98. And if I'm not mistaken, that's in the last 28 days, which is pretty decent. Yeah, so let's go to audience. So as you guys can see right here on audience, this is very important to understand. Unique views is sitting at 80K. Average viewer 1.3, which is pretty decent. I had a little drop right here. I'm pretty sure that's going to go back up. It's all good. Yep. 2.3K subscribers, which is pretty good. Let's see, let's just check in the last 7 days. All right, cool. So in the last 7 days, 20,000 views, 1.2 is the average view. Subscribers down, up, but it'll go up. In the last 7 days, I made $13.77. In June, I only made $5. So my channel got monetized at the end of June. So that's why my channel is, it's pretty much just started, but here we go. Yeah, so back to here, as you got membership right here, you can set it up. You can build connection through your channels. I'm not going to click on this video for the simple fact that, monetization purposes. But with that being said, I set up a level 1 and a level 2 for $2.99 and $3.99. My channel is new, so I'm not going to, charge people as much as, somebody who's been on YouTube for 6-7 years and now they're charging people, $10, $15 for it. So, I have to set up everything, but I wanted to show you guys exactly what it looked like before I actually set it up, so I can make another video for you guys when I set it up. But yeah, so we're going to super. You check this out right here. This is pretty cool right here. I'm not going to click on it. Shopping, products click, impressions 162, which is pretty cool. I haven't made I haven't sold anything yet, but it's coming. and that is, if I'm not mistaken, the fundraiser nonprofit. So I just wanted to show you guys this, and pay attention to this. When you get paid, is if you meet the threshold, you'll have no payments hold. You'll typically receive your payments between the 21st and the 26th of the month. So that's if you don't have any money. That's the threshold, which is $100. So be mindful of that. And yeah, you get to ask a YouTube partner, you get to reach out to them. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys that to let you guys know this is the background of my earnings on YouTube. This is my watch page ads, and yeah. So also be sure to make sure that your ratings are very accurate. Make sure that your ratings are very accurate, for the simple fact is that when you upload a video, you need to make sure that YouTube doesn't demonetize it, or they don't give it the maximum ads, and make sure that it's limited. Let me see if I can find one that may be limited. You can earn money, but it's not going to be as much as the other ones. So mines are pretty good, as you can see. Yeah, and that's simply from the fact that I made sure that all mines is suitable for ads. And another thing too is manual review is a very important thing for monetization, because your video may get uploaded and it may tell you like, hey, there's a limited ad, which I'm going to show you guys. You can simply go ahead and request a support team at YouTube to look over your video manually, meaning they will actually look at your video versus a algorithm or an AI looking at your video and saying, hey, we heard this, or this was said, or this was done, so we think that it shouldn't be promoted with ads. Simple as that. You go ahead and click it and it'll tell you. I can show you guys real quick. So we'll go over here to content, and then as you guys can see, I have something that's being looked at right now. I have a video that I made that I have to take an audio out, so that's why that's ineligible as of right now, and there's a copyright strike on it. Matter of fact, there's not a copyright strike on it. There's not a copyright strike on it. So with that being said, I'm just going to re-upload the video. But right here, as you can see, I uploaded a short Drewski reaction priceless, and as you can see, they put limited. This video may earn limited or no ad revenue due to the content identified not suitable for most advertiser. It remains fully playable and is eligible to earn subscription revenue for your YouTube Premium. In the ads right here, it says ad suitable, confirmed by reviewing. This video has been confirmed by manual review as not suitable for most advertiser. It remains fully playable and it's eligible to earn subscription revenue off YouTube Premium. So I still can earn money, but it'll have to be off YouTube Premium, which is people that don't pay for ads or limited ads, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, so with that being said, if you haven't yet, be sure to like, turn on post notification, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is my video for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.